Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about one more example of the autocorrelation function of the response, power spectral density of the response, and mean square value of the response. This is the previous examination question. The example is: consider a linear system shown as follows. So this is the linear system. If the autocorrelation function of the input is 5 del of tau, then determine autocorrelation function of response. Second bit is power spectral density of response, and third bit is mean square value of response. So coming to the solution, so given that the autocorrelation function of the input process is Rxx of tau is 5 del of tau. From the given linear system, the system function h of omega is equal 1 by 6 plus j omega. So in this equation, h of omega is equal to 1 by 6 plus j omega. Take the magnitude on both sides. Magnitude of LHS term is equal to magnitude of RHS term. So we know that the Fourier transform of the autocorrelation function is Sxx of omega. And first calculate the Sxx of omega, and after that calculate magnitude of h of omega value. Okay. So we know that Sxx of omega is equal to Fourier transform of Rxx of tau. From the given data, Rxx of tau value is 5 into del of tau. 5 is constant, that is written before Fourier transform, and Fourier transform of the impulse function is 1. 5 into 1 is 1. So therefore, the power spectral density of the input x of t is Sxx of omega is equal to 5. So from the given linear system, the frequency response of the system or the system function h of omega is equal 1 by 6 plus j omega. So in this equation, take the magnitude on both sides. Magnitude of h of omega is equal to magnitude of RHS term. So magnitude of numerator term is 1, magnitude of the denominator term is square root of 6 square plus omega square. So that is now take the squaring on both sides. Magnitude of h of omega whole square is equal. On RHS side, square and under root is cancelled. The remaining RHS term is 1 by 36 plus omega square. So we know that the power spectral density of the output y of t is Syy of omega is equal magnitude of h of omega whole square into Sxx of omega. So now here magnitude of h of omega whole square value is calculated and Sxx of omega value is calculated. Substitute those two values into here. Therefore, Syy of omega is equal 5 by 36 plus omega square. And the autocorrelation function of y of t is Ryy of tau is equal inverse Fourier transform of Syy of omega. Now here Syy of omega is calculated and its value is 5 by 36 plus omega square, and substitute that value into here. Ryy of tau is equal f inverse of 1 by 6 square plus omega square. So we know that the Fourier transform of e power minus a mod t is 2a by a square plus omega square. So now here the a value is 6 in the numerator term, 2a term is the missing. So multiplying numerator and denominator by 2 into 6. 2 into 6 is 12. So multiplying numerator and denominator by 12. So we have 5 by 12 into f inverse of 2 into 6 by 6 square plus omega square. Now here the a value is 1. So therefore f inverse of 2a by a square plus omega square is e power minus a mod tau. So therefore Ryy of tau is equal 5 by 12 into e power minus 6 mod tau. So this is the autocorrelation function of output y of t. Next, find out the mean square value of the output y of t. So we know that the mean square value of the output y of t expression is expectation of y square of t is equal to Ryy of 0. Now here Ryy of tau value is already calculated. In this equation, substitute tau is equal to 0, we get expectation of y square of t. So the value of expectation of y square of t is 5 by 12.